Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Bai Li Jin Among Mortals, chapter 206. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Muxi and Xiaojin. Two of them are still on the hotel. Since it was Muxi's plan. Right now, Xiaojin. Muxi, why did you stop? Xiaojin is asking Muxi, but Muxi said, because Xiaojin, she looks very uneasy. I can bear to make you so hard. Muxi said to Xiaojin, well, these two girls, it's really getting tricky to each other. Right now, Xiaojin said, yes, I can really bear it. But looking at her face, it was turning red and she was blushing. Although Muxi, she was looking at her with a deep meaning when she looked at her. Muxi said, Xiaojin said so. So, at this moment, Muxi moved closer to her. She kissed her gently. Well, definitely this girl. She's getting trickier. Also, at this moment, this is the first time that Muxi does this to Xiaojin. On the other hand, her hand is moving around. Muxi, it was a light stroke. At this moment, Xiaojin, she can do anything, but just to obey. Well, it was really slippery. That's what Xiaojin said. At this moment, Xiaojin, she seems to be uncomfortable. Well, definitely she is right now. She's a little bit shaky, and also, Muxi was calling her Xiaojin. Still Xiaojin, she was really shaky. On the other hand, it was Muxi. Look at Xiaojin's reaction. Muxi, she was also blushing. But of course, it was Xiaojin. She really looks uncomfortable. Wouldn't be actually be fun. Oh, so right now, Muxi, she knows how to coax people. Even though she knows that Xiaojin, she really feels uncomfortable. I don't have it, Xiaojin said to her. But it was Muxi. She moved closer to her. Is going to tease her and said, it is really. Well, of course, Muxi. She is really getting tricky. Xiaojing, she was really obedient towards her. Ooh, Muxi, it's really. Because she knows that it is a punishment. Muxi said to her from the start until now, she will really get punished. Xiaojin, until now, it seems that Muxi, she was really good, taking a lead towards her. Bai Li Jin said, Muxi, can you help me? It seems that her hand is really crumbling. I won't moving again. Well, definitely, her hands is already numb. That's why she is asking Muxi, what does Xiaojing want to do? Why are the two of them so close? I still very uneasy. But it was Xiaojing at this moment. I just want to hug you, Xiaojin said to her. With a look of pitiful eyes. Right now, Muxi, she was looking at hers. But Muxi's look, it was really a deep meaning towards her adorations for Xiaojing. Especially right now, it seems that Xiaojing, she has really a good side of her. Muxi, seeing Xiaojing on the state like this, right now, she was really blushing. She moved closer to her. Well, definitely. Muxi, since she moved closer, her hands is now loosened. Well, it seems that Bai Li Jin, she is no match when in terms of being dominant to Muxi. In fact, as long as Xiaojing thinks he can often eat himself, why not? Till now, she was only looking at Muxi. Bai Li Jin said, because I feel you are very upset, I want you to do whatever you want. Do it to me. Oh, this girl. Even though she thinks that Muxi is upset, Muxi said, what if I do something that might hurt you? Bai Li Jin said, then, do you want to do it with me? Oh, this girl, they've been really tricky. Right now, it was Bai Li Jin's hands, trying to reach Muxi. Of course, she can really good at obeying Muxi. Well, the two of them are lying to the vet. I don't know how you spent those 50 years and how did you survive the future life fast. Eileen said to her. Now, everything becomes so dramatic. It was Mixie and Bilijin, since Bilijin is already off theory. Do you remember? Mixie suffered a lot on fast life. It must be really hard. And now, it really makes sense. Bilijin, her tears was really falling. Looking at Mixie at this moment. She was also teary. Bilijin wiped her tears. Since it was really sad fast, I have never wanted to show a negative emotions in front of Xiaojins, but I really since I can remember some clips, have no ways to face them more calmly. Yuxi said to herself, but, of course, at this moment, they're being so emotional. Eileen suddenly wants to get off, trying to console Muxi. Of course, she was there now, and she will never leave Muxi again. Sorry, I only found you so late, Eileen said to her. Till now, they really can't believe it. What a good destiny they have. From the past life until now, finally, they really met in the future. And Eileen said, a definite future must be ahead on their ways. Well, it's like a promise that Eileen, she will always stay by her side. I can give it to you either. Oh, this is really tough. I don't know what will happen in the future. It's like Xiaoqing, I sometimes think I can only occupy so little time in your life, so what I am, it will really be more than always with you. Well, definitely, they're really getting emotional. Seems to be happy. There's a things that she was always worried that one day. So back to her senses, she pushed her away. So in the long time after we separate, you slowly forget me. Oh, this is bad. Seems that Muxi, you really want to let her go. You really want to get separated with her. But let's hope we can always find a ways to be forever with each other. It's been really tough, but maybe there's some point in the future that she can be with Bailishin forever. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!